Philippine Air Force will proceed with sending pilots and specialists to Turkey to start training on T129B ATAK helicopter operations. According to our sources, TAI has constructed 2 airframes for the Philippine order, with US-made ATAK engines, although it was not confirmed if the engines are newly delivered, or from Turkish stocks delivered to TAI before the issues with US export license came out. We believe it's the latter, if the details sent to us is correct, based on the timeline between the apparent approval of export license and the completion of construction of the 2 helicopters, Max Defense said. Delivery of the first 2 ATAK helicopters is scheduled by November 2021. Succeeding helicopters will be delivered in batches of 2 units in 2022 and 2023. TAI and D&D are trying to have the first batch of helicopters displayed during the AFP's anniversary in December 2021.